Hey, hustlers! Get ready to transform laziness into cash with Indeed SEO digital marketing agency. Today, I'm revealing the quickest way to make $500 a day online in 2024. It's perfect for all you lazy beginners out there. But first, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the hottest online trends. Buckle up for strategy number 1, the power of affiliate marketing. It's like making money while you sleep. Stick around to discover the secrets of affiliate alchemy and turn your laziness into profit. Now, on to strategy number 2, the freelance fiesta. I'll spill the beans on hottest freelancing platforms where you can score gigs, set your own rates, and live that freelance dream. Ready to make money doing what you love? Let's dive in. Last but not least, let's talk about strategy number 3, the course creation carnival. Get ready to share your knowledge with the world, make passive income, and turn your expertise into an online empire. The course creation carnival awaits. Are you in? Which strategy are you most excited to try? Stay tuned for more money-making gems, and until next time, keep hustling smart. Cheers!